A group of engineers completed 3/8 of a project in 6 days. Working at the same rate, A part of the question: how long will it take the group to complete the entire project? For now, let's focus on the A part. Now we are looking for the time it will take the group to complete the entire project. Let's represent it with X. And in the question, we know that the group of engineers completed 3/8 of the project in 6 days. So it means that 3/8 of the project is equal to 6 days, or 3/8 is equal to 6 days. And we want the time taken to complete the entire project. Now, if you are dealing with fractions, the total is 1. So the entire project is taken as 1. And we want the number of days taken to complete that one project. Now, if 3/8 took 6 days to complete, then 1, which is greater than 3/8, is going to take more days to complete. And if more, less divides. It means the left hand side, 3/8 is less than 1, so it's going to divide 1. Then we multiply by 6 to get the number of days taken to complete the entire project working at the same rate. Now 1 divided by 3/8 is 8/3. And when we multiply by 6, we have 16. So it will take the group 16 days to complete the entire project working at the same rate. And that answers the A part of the question. B part of the question: if another group joins them and speeds up the remaining work by 50%, find the time that will be saved. Now we know that the whole project will take 16 days, and the engineers completed 3/8 of the project in 6 days. So 6 days of work have been done, and when we subtract from the 16 days taken to complete the whole project, we have 10 days left to working at the same rate. And also, work remaining, the total project is taken as 1, and 3/8 have already been done. So 5/8 of the project or work still remains. And working at the same rate, that is going to take 10 days to complete the 5/8. Now, rate of work is equal to the work divided by time taken to complete that work. That gives the rate of work done. The original rate, 3/8 of the project was done in 6 days. So it means that the work is 3/8 divided by the time, 6 days, and this is the original rate at which the work was done. 3/8 divided by 6 gives 1 divided by 16. And now another group joins them and speeds up the remaining work by 50%. So it means the rate of work is going to change. We are going to have a new rate of work. That is, the old or the original rate of work is now increased by 50%. So first of all, let's find 50% of the original rate. That is 1 divided by 16, which is the original rate, times 50%, which is 50 over 100. And it gives 1 over 32. So we are going to increase this original rate by 1 over 32. So we add it and we have 3 over 32. So now we know the new rate of work after the new group joins and speeds up the remaining work by 50%. The new rate of work is going to be 3 over 32. So time remaining to complete the work, 10 days. Work remaining, 5 over 8. And new group joins in. So the new rate, 3 over 32. Now from rate is equal to work over time. Since we are looking for the time that will be saved, let's make time the subject. That will be time is equal to work divided by rate. Now the work remaining is 5 over 8 and the rate, the new rate, is 3 over 32. When we divide, we have 20 over 30. That is the time. We have 20 divided by 3, which is 6 whole number, 2 over 3 days. So when the new group joins in, they are not going to take 10 days to complete the work. Rather, they will take 6 whole number, 2 over 3 days to complete the work according to the new rate of work. Now, the time they are going to save, the time remaining was 10 days. A group joins in to reduce the time to 6 whole number, 2 over 3. So when we find a difference, we'll get the time saved. And that is 10 over 3 days. So the time saved is 3 whole number, 1 over 3 days. Since 10 over 3 can be written as 3 whole number, 1 divided by 3. And this answers the B part of the question.